AKG Lyra makes it easy to record studio-quality vocals, instruments, and live band performances. To get started, simply connect the mic to your computer or mobile device and plug in your headphones. Once the mic is connected, set it up using the integrated stand or connect it to any standard microphone stand to achieve optimal placement for recording your voice or instrument. Then select which capture mode best suits your application. You can choose from front, for getting a highly focused recording of a single vocalist or instrument in front of the mic. Front and back, for capturing a duet and recording all around the mic. Tight stereo, for recording instruments like piano and acoustic guitar that have a stereo spread. Or wide stereo, for achieving an even wider stereo spread that's perfect for recording larger ensembles. Next, open up the recording or production software on your device. We're using Ableton Live. Use the onboard mic gain control to set the recording level. Then hit record and start producing your first track. And remember, Lyra is a highly versatile professional USB condenser mic, so feel free to experiment with different recording techniques and applications to get the most out of your mic and your music.